Tell the people what you're doing today.
We're gonna build a motorcycle shelter. I hope they fit in there.
Motorcycle shelter, so this is the touring one, and this is the standard one, right? Now they come in their own boxes, and they supposedly have a carrying case that you can fold them up into. We haven't yet opened the boxes, so hey, what are you doing with the camera, miss? You're supposed to be over here with us. Come here. So, this here is the master construction guy right here. Baron's going to be doing all the work. Harper's going to be our helper. I'm just going to help him open the boxes up and read the instructions so we get this right. But Baron, you're going to do all the work, huh? We're going to show people how easy they are to set up. From what we were told, these shelters are super easy.
And the honey bear can help us.
Oh, the honey bear's going to help us? Okay. From what we've been told, these shelters are super easy to set up, and even a kid could do it. So we're going to actually test that theory today. Baron here is going to do the sports shelter. Let's get it opened up and read the instructions first. Alright, that's it. The installation is complete of the Speedway Motorsport shelter. So when the motorcycle's inside the shelter, the easiest way to get in is to grab these handles right here, lift it up. As you can see, this is the perfect size for any sport bike, naked bike, or smaller displacement cruiser. Now the best part about this setup is the fact that your motorcycle is sitting in here, not touching any part of the cover. A traditional motorcycle cover sits on the bike, can chafe the bike, condensation can build up. There's a whole lot of negative reasons or negative things that happen when you use a traditional motorcycle cover. This is far better than a cover. We call it a shelter, and that's because it truly does shelter your motorcycle all the way around from the harm that can happen to it while sitting out in the open elements. Again, we have the Speedway Motorsport shelter floor here. It's a rubber mat that rolls out. Now that rubber mat's important. It's going to keep either the ground, the dirt that you're sitting on, or the cement, all have moisture in them. That moisture could come up and wreak havoc on the bottom of your motorcycle. So having this mat here kind of blocks that moisture from coming up and does keep your motorcycle safer when parked in the outdoors. Anyhow, thank you for watching me and my family set up this Speedway Motorsport shelter. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. A big thank you to the channel patrons. We really appreciate you and your support. If you haven't already, please take a look at the link down below and go over and take a look to see if you can help support us in that venture. Anyhow, I'm Kyle Hey, what are you gonna do? A little bit premature on that one. Anyhow, I'm Kyle Bradshaw. This here is Mr. Baron Boy. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there. You silly kid. What's up, guys, and welcome to Southern California. Today I want to talk to you about this guy right here, the Speedway Motorsport shelter. Now that carrying case right there is just like a Cordura bag that the shelter goes into. And I picked that up because I had to park a bike in the backyard for the last month or so, and it's really nasty here. You can see the mountains up there. So right now they're covered with smoke from the local fires that we have. You can see the sun is actually blotted out from the smoke. You take a look at the truck right here. We have ash all over the top of it. Ugh, look at the windshield right there. Totally nasty as far as the amount of particulates that are falling from the sky. Now, just a couple weeks ago, I installed the Speedway Motorsport shelter. It's here in the backyard. It's currently housing my 390 Duke. I'm hoping to get you a picture of it up and over the wall here. Now, living here in Southern California, we don't get a whole lot of rain, but we do get dust. We get dust from that mountain up there. But because of the fires currently, we're getting lots of soot and ash. You can see down here on the car, it's just covered. The windows, everything that has a ledge on it, there's ash just sitting all over it. It's pretty disgusting. So today I want to show you what the motorcycle looks like that's been inside my Speedway Motorsport shelter. Again, this here is the duffel bag that this whole shelter folds up and fits into. Here it is sitting out here in the backyard. Now it has a little bit of covering here from this sunshade that we have up here, but as you can see, there's still quite a bit of soot and dust sitting on top of this cover, or I should say shelter. Opening the shelter up, we can take a look at this 390 Duke. Let's do a quick little inspection here. I mean, the seat's completely dust free. Top of the tank here looks dust free. It's a great storage solution to be able to provide a quick and simple framed shelter for your motorcycle. Another feature or use for the Speedway Motorsport shelter is if you have to do maintenance and don't have a garage to keep your vehicle in. Take a look at this. Creates the perfect place to keep your bike while it's torn apart and can't fit into the garage.